So I've got to clean these out later. Today's Friday, by the way. I'm going to put the upload on very shortly. I cleaned this all out yesterday and it's just as dark and murky as before. I've chucked some weed in for them to eat. With this one, you see them all fighting there because they're killing the fish. See it? Now what I did is I've just cleaned this one. There's a big fish in it and I thought, it's jumped out of here. It hasn't. As soon as I put it in, both they all attacked it. Don't know why, probably different smell on it, but anyway, there it is. It's food. It's protein for the fish. So these, which are the smallest, are now quickly catching up to these sidewise. Yeah. But I've noticed that they're eating twice as much. Usually, you know, I can chuck a feed in, but sometimes I put feed in, they won't eat it, but now they're going mental for it. I think it's a change in the weather because of the, it's now rainy season and it's going to rain every day more or less, or if not in the day, at night. So anyway, we'll see how it goes. Not quite finished the bottom end yet, just some bit of stitching up she's got to do. So at the moment she's out in the field, so she's coming back this afternoon to sort it out. So that's today. Me, I'm doing nothing. Except I'm going to swill this lot out. Catch you all later, guys. Good Saturday afternoon, Tory. In the pink flamingos, having a nice black one. That'll be a change. He's trying to sort out my bike. Apparently, my bike account's been blocked. I'm on a laundry. Not got enough money to fucking launder. So, I said, look, just phone them up, I'll ring them up. No, it's not difficult. So, she's now got the shop staff involved. For some reason. Yeah, telephone them. I know. It's not. No rocket science. What? Sorry guys, she's Sam showing a fucking picnic if he has me. The easiest thing to do is just ring up and say, right, what's the problem? I know what the problem is. It's just when I first came here, the telephone I got to her uncle, which is in his name. So obviously now they're doing this new checking for what is it called? Fucking fiddling. I still there where it were, I forgot now. Money laundering. So they put in 2 and 2 together, and if you don't match, shut your bank account down. But I'm surprised you actually shut your phone down. But that's life. Sorry, black flies around again. I don't worry too much about it. She worries more because I don't spend money. She's like that. Oh, I have no money, no money. Yeah, save money. Anyway, enough of pissing about. I'm going to relax and back home and ring the bank. I should have later. Welcome to the monsoon. I'll turn it round. smelling something. Right guys, as you can see with the weather, dramatic. Yeah, it's just a bit foggy, a bit cloudy. So, what happened here, you ask? Well, it looks like the top netting split in two. Yesterday we had, same again, high winds, torrential rain. Just look at the floor. All that's washed out. These are full. I need to empty some water out of there. Same with each tank. But worst of all, these had blown off, even though I put something on to weigh them down. And this was just full of water. So I've got to look at put a plug drain there. So I've got to somehow, I need some sawdust. Let's put something in here to dry it all out. Yeah. So drama. Fucking hell. The chickens, everything just trashed. Yeah, well. So I've got hold of the mitt and said, right, you need to give me a hand for a bit just to stitch this up. Try and get some tie wraps on it. Got thousands of them. Just to get it back up. I mean, to be honest with you, it wants replacing, but I won't be here that long. And I think when these fish are all big enough, there won't be any more fish in here, so we come back. So we've got mating pairs in here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 mating pairs. Do I leave the water in? Or do I just take a bit of it out? Because they've got nowhere, to get out of the water. Unless I put another pile of rocks there. Let's see. Come on. Just drain a bit of it out. Which, as always, you can have as many breeding pairs as you want, but they're just not producing spawn. Not that I've seen anyway. Yeah, so we'll see. Good Sunday morning, and yes, it is morning, and yes, the flies are out in fucking force as always. There's a guy here on a motorbike pulling a wheelbarrow with his hand. For fuck's sake. So anyway, I hear you ask, what's your day been like, Tony? Well, not just day. Let's start with the week. So we've had the storm damage. We've got it sort of just about right. Last night, what did we have? Fucking huge storm came through. So it's ripped all the netting down, off the netting. Flooded fucking everything. It's blown the cover off the black soldier fly larva. That was at least, 6 inches deep in water. With a fucking soldier flies everywhere. Well, larva. So I've had the problem with the bank. Have to excuse me with the flies. So I've had a problem with the bank, obviously. So I've been onto them twice now. The only thing they can do or suggest is 2 options. I do it online. I have to wipe it all clean, start again. Now that's a story unto itself. The last time I did that is when I got a new phone, and it took me 3 weeks for it to recognise my face. Keep saying I've got a face covering on. As you can see, I've even shaved my beard this morning. Right, it kept saying you've got a face covering on. Anyway, needless to say, I didn't get it, so I've got to go to the bank. Or keep trying. So if I go to the bank, the nearest one is Shire from, which is like nearly a 2-hour drive. I think there's another one not too far, which is about an hour and a half's drive. But I ain't got a car, because where's my car? That's another one. Don't know if I've mentioned it, probably haven't. Uh, I'm great with bike, I can nip anywhere with that. If we need anything, we pay for it to be delivered. It's peanuts. So, when her brother come up last week, he went, "Do you want to come back to Bangkok with us at 3 o'clock in the morning to pick your car up?" This is in the middle at night. She's telling me at 12 o'clock at night. I'm going like, yeah, well, no, I ain't going anywhere at 3 o'clock in the morning. Plus I'd had a drink, so I wasn't driving, but I just thought I don't want to go all the way to Bangkok, pick my car up, drive all the way back after I've had, the morning after the night before, sorry. So I said to her the next day, I went, hang on, he's lent my car to go to Bueng Kan, which is North Thailand. Yet my car's in fucking Bangkok. How's that work out? You know when you borrow something, you don't ring them up and say, by the way, I borrowed your pen, and it's now in London, right? Because that's where I left it. The fuck is that about? Oh. Then we get to the, soon I'll be leaving Thailand. And I think it'll be fucking soon, not later. So anyway, just went shopping again. So we've just been to Thepsatif to get some money out of that bank. Fucking Bangkok Bank, fucking wank, it ought to be called Bangkok Wank. And I suppose if you had that. Anyway, so yeah, that's just everything's gone wrong. Everything's gone wrong. So I'm going to chill out with a beer, then go home. I tend to have nothing to eat yet. It's time is it? It's about 10:30. Drinking at 10:30 in the morning. Would you believe it? Stand up. Let me get the right time. It's 10:41 Sunday morning. So anyway, yeah. Then no one's folding by. Anyway, I'm going to get off. Right, I've done enough more. Well, I am really, but you don't want to eat. Yeah. Good morning, world. He's dossing out. Massive thunderstorm again last night. As you can see, the place is trashed. Everything's trashed. Upturned table, chairs. Luckily I hadn't fitted this up. I was still working on it yesterday. So anyway, water full again. Now we have had some spawn, but by the looks of it, it's not been fertilised. So the male, whoever was clinging onto this female, was a dud. Anyway, we'll see. So I'm going to have to drain some water out of here, so they've got somewhere, because you don't like being underwater all the time, or swimming on water. You need some ground. Anyway, enough said. We've got things to do. Catch you all later. Looks like we're having fish for tea, or dinner should I say. Tea, I never say that. I don't know why I said that then. It was a bit dark in here, so I put the canopy up, because it's very, very hot today and humid. The mosquitoes are everywhere, and flies.
you cooking and save money.
Here you go, guys. She's cooking to save money.
Yes. Happy.
It's like we're having a banquet. I don't know about dinner. Okay. Right. I'll carry on cleaning them then.
Clean, ma. Cook.
You want brush? 1 minute. Sorry about this, guys. I'll switch it off. As you can see, it's raining. We got stuck in it. Oh, I'm piss wet through. She's okay. So here we are, stuck at the hospital. Still pissing it down with it in. Might ease off, it might not. Could be here for an hour. Probably get a coffee somewhere. What can I say? Oh, bright spark here, come on, let's go to town. Now the reason we're in town is my bank's a disaster. To get my mobile banking on, I have to go through a system and the system don't work for me. It will not accept my face. Not many fucking people will like, but. So I've been on the phone to them and they said, well, you're going to have to go to the bank. I went, I ain't got no transport. The bank is, the nearest bank is about an hour 40 minutes away. So they said, wait, I mean, I can use my bank card. It's no good in the village, a bank card, it's fucking worthless. So we're in town, I'm going to open another account, drag some money out of my bank account, put it in that one, so at least I've got some internet banking, and then I can just keep transferring money backwards and forwards. Until I can get to, well, I can't transfer money because I can't get into my mobile banking, so that's why we're here. Throw it out at bank, open another account with cash. Off you jolly well go. That's if it stops raining. If. I mean, my shirt's stuck to me, my shorts are stuck to me, my bag's piss wet through. It's a tonyjoel, Thailand, fucked off, wet. I'm not fucked off really. I might have a beer on way back. I'm not drowned already. Right, as you can hear, it's kicked off again. So, we've got a woman who's going to sell stuff. Right here, I've just pulled up now. So, obviously we can't do anything yet, nothing. Here it comes again. Never mind. Right guys, when I tell you it's raining, trust me, it's fucking raining. Look at that. Roads are flooded. Fucking pissing it down. We've got to get home. But we've got little Max now. I don't mean that little Max, I mean that Max. Yeah. Yeah, it's certainly raining. Now we've got to get over there, spin round, zoom up that way, back home. So, apart from I'm wet through, cold. Well, I'm not cold, that's a lie. Back. Morning, guys. This is the morning after the night before. Jesus Christ. Horrendous yesterday. Really bad. As you probably saw the flooding. He's happy. So, you're going to see it as I see it. I've just pulled up. Let's see what it's trashed. No, it's not that bad actually. Frogs are all mated again. Water's risen, obviously. That end pond needs cleaning. I've no doubt it's wet through in here. Yeah, absolutely. Need to check that out. She's put some fish in here for some reason. Bear with me. Can't see them. I'll look at them later. Right. Everything's wet through. I need to go feed the fish, feed the chickens, and then we're off to the bank again. Only it's forecast rain later this afternoon, so we need to get it done first thing. I've still got some money in my pocket, which is unlike me. Catch you all later, guys. Morning, guys. Friday morning. All looks a bit cloudy and iffy out there. Temperature, I think it's 28 or 29 degrees with a real feel of 33, and that is at 5 to 8 in the morning. 80% humidity. Chickens are out, fed them all. Everybody's fed this morning. Mrs. is in the garden. She had a wonderful day yesterday. She said kilo upon kilo. A woman come from Shire from, which I'd have known she could have brought me a cuddy. Anyway, she's come from there and bought an absolute van load. She wants to grow her own up there, so she was a happy little bunny. She was there with wedge in her pocket. So there she is, digging away, ready to plant more. Like I said, she woke up with a smile on her face. Today we've got to go into town again. That'll be 3 days on a trot. Got to go to the what is it? The local council office. I forget what they call them here. But anyway, she's going there, so I'm gonna have a nip in with her. A few things to pick up while I'm there, what I forgot yesterday. So, right, I'm gonna crack on. Things to do. Then I've got to upload for today's upload, which this will be on. So, pick my yeah. Sorry about that. I've been filming. It's been because of humidity, steaming up. Anyway, catch you all later.